Hello viewers, in this video I will show you that how to open a Google Spreadsheet through Google. So before I start, I'd like to share that Google Spreadsheet is a program that developed by Google, and it is almost functionally same like Excel. So if you are familiar with Excel, then it will be very easy for you to understand that how Google Spreadsheet works. So you have to ensure that you keep logging into your Google account. Here you can see that already I have logged in my account. In these login cases, type here drive.google.com, enter. Now my Google Drive open. So now I'm taking a new file, Google Sheet. So as you can see that there are very simple and straightforward steps that you can follow to open a Google spreadsheet. When you work on any spreadsheet, that will be automatically saved on here on your drive. So we take new spreadsheet from drive, work here and save here. So this is, so now untitled spreadsheet name, this is the title portion. We are giving in name of this spreadsheet, test G sheet. SMS Excel, you can see that here is the sheet, different sheet you can add, sheet 2, sheet 3, as much as you need. And if you want to start with any default template, that facility also provided by Google Spreadsheet. Click on file, click on new, from template. So if you click here, you will see that there has a lot of default template that can help you to meet your daily needs. Like from default template you can choose to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, even calendar, team roster, invoice, purchase order. So it is very helpful to use a default template. I'm choosing annual budget. So you can see that after selecting the template, this sheet opened. So this is a default template. If I change any data, that will save on our drive. If you click on recent, then you can see that recently I have worked on this sheet and this sheet. So that means you opened through a template, but after opening it's your file. So that's all about the video. Thanks for watching.